Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kay in Chicago. Today we are on a magical adventure at Sanders Village Amusement and Water Park with the family. We're talking thrilling rides, mining for gems and splashing in the water park, all in one day. Let's dive right in. The moment we walked in, it felt like a holiday wonderland, even in the summer. Sanders Village is full of color, cheer, and excitement. It's the perfect mix of festive and fun. The rides are so much fun. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just in it for the laughs, there's something for everyone. The kids loved the classic carousel, the mini roller coaster. One of the cutest rides here, the classic car ride. I got to hop in the driver's seat and cruise around like pros. The road winds through trees, tunnels, and even little village. It's like a mini road trip inside the park. This is so much joy and perfect for making family memories. And look at this! We got to ride in a real firefighter car. The track gently rolled along the track. It was such a fun ride and perfect for little adventurers who dream big. One of the sweetest moments of the day, our ride on the Caterpillar. It's bright, colorful, and full of twists and turns, but gentle enough for the little ones to enjoy.
Yay! This is so fun!
Next, we went on the real treasure hunt at the mining sluice. We grabbed the mining bag filled with mystery sand and headed straight to the water flume, carefully sifted it through the running water, and look at that! Sparkling gems, crystals, and even fool's gold started to appear. It was such a fun hands-on activity, part science, part surprise, and 100% excitement.
Wow, it's really cool.
One of the most peaceful and adorable parts of the park, the petting zoo. We got to meet some furry friends, and yes, we could feed them too. It's a great way for kids to connect with animals up close and learn a little bit about kindness and care. And finally, we made it to the Sanders Springs Water Park. Thanks for watching our family adventure at Sanders Village. I hope you'll enjoy my video. See you in the next video. Bye!